In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to increase the time frame to unsend or undo an email that you had sent from your Gmail account. When you send an email from your Gmail account, Google gives you 5 seconds to undo or unsend that email. If you think you want to edit and resend or that email is wrong, you just have 5 seconds. Let me tell you that there is a way to increase that time frame so that you have more time to edit and resend that email. It's very simple and easy. Just get hold of a laptop or a PC and then just get into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, just click on the settings gear icon out here. You get a drop down menu like this. Click on see all settings. You get directed to this page. Under the general settings, you see you have an option for undo send. You could increase the time frame to 30 seconds. Select this to 30 seconds. Scroll right down. Click on save changes. Next time you go to send an email to anybody through that specific Gmail account, you click on send. You are going to get 30 seconds to undo this and re-edit the email and send the email again. I hope this helps, and if you have any further questions, I'm here to help you. Send me an email or post a comment. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.